cat father and mother went to the gym for a workout. A kitten alone in the house, playing with fire.
Oh my god, lots of fire.
Emergency! Your house is on fire.
My son, I am coming.
I love you so much, Mom.
Today, the kitten went into the forest to look for beetles.
There it is.
Oh, wow! That's a big, beautiful pet beetle.
I will catch you.
Oh my god, the cat accidentally poked a beehive.
Stay away from me. Oh no.
Oh my god! Go away! Fortunately, the kitten was saved from the bees by the mermaid, who returned to the sea to search for herbs to heal the kitten's wound.
Drink this and you'll be fine.
The cat and cat father went to the supermarket for shopping, looking very happy. Suddenly, a group of bad rats attacked the supermarket.
Son, keep quiet. I will do something.
Oh no! One of the bad rats is behind the father cat.
Bad rats, hands up. Cat, your game is over.
The cat father is wounded and in the hospital, and he has passed away. The kitten decided to take revenge for his father. The kitten joined the police force.
I will take revenge for my father from you.
Silent streets, cool nights.
Where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky, painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams.
Cat father and mother went to the gym for a workout. A kitten alone in the house, playing with fire.
Oh my god, lots of fire.
Emergency! Your house is on fire.
My son, I am coming.
I love you so much, Mom.
A white cat and her kitten enjoyed a stroll in the city. From the forest, a green monster cat watched, planning destruction. The monster cat attacked the city and destroying city. Police and helicopters tried to stop it but failed. Residents fled to the forest, crying as they watched their homes being destroyed. The white cat saw the news and drank a yellow power liquid, turning into a yellow giant. Yellow Cat fought the green monster cat and defeated it after a fierce battle. The city was saved, and the residents returned to rebuild. The white cat, now a hero, restored peace and happiness to their home.
The father cat is addicted to smoking. The father cat frequently smokes, and his son is worried about his health.
Papa, what are you doing? This isn't good for your health.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Why am I experiencing depression?
Tears keep falling. Nothing mends these broken pieces. Love is fading, can't stop calling. Need you now, but you're gone. Cold wind blows through empty halls.
Son, I promise I'll never smoke again.
The mother cat began cooking.
Oh no, I forgot the fruits.
The mother cat went to the supermarket with her kitten to buy fruits.
Stay safe, Kitten. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Outside, the weather was too hot. The kitten became exhausted and decided to start driving. Oh no! The kitten crashed the car!
Oh no, my baby!
Don't worry, your kitten will be better soon.
A cute kitten wakes up early in the morning as his mom prepares breakfast, and the little kitten is all ready for school. A cute kitten finishes his class and is heading back home when he sees zombies attacking his city.
Mother, where are you?
But realizes she has turned into a zombie. Terrified, the kitten runs to the police station for help, only to find that the police officers have also transformed into zombies. Luckily, the kitten finds an old man who hasn't been infected.
Don't worry, son. I'll make a vaccine because I used to be a scientist.
They work day and night, create a vaccine, load it into a gun, and shoot the zombies, turning them back into healthy people.
Mother, you'll be healthy soon.
Thank you, son.
After 2 weeks, the kitten meets the old scientist, and both are very happy.